All right, so a little bit of review before we start. Can anybody tell me where the x-axis is located? Left to right, right? That's the horizontal line. And what's this line called? Marvin, do you know? What letter? This is the x, this is the... It's the y. It's the y, okay? And what's an ordered pair, Emily? For instance, if I had a 5 here, you said, and then what else? And then like a 15 where? On the y-axis, maybe like a 15 here. What's an ordered pair? Good. She said the 5 first. Why did she say the 5 first, Kim?
Because the x comes first.
Yes, always, always, okay? So an ordered pair for this point right here, for that plotted point, would be 5, 15, okay? And does anybody remember when we're plotting points from a coordinate grid, or from, I'm sorry, from a coordinate, when we're plotting points from a ratio table, anybody remember what kind of points I'll get? They'll form something.
I forgot what it's called, but it's like, it doesn't go out of order, it just goes like...
Yeah, like a diagonal line, which is also called, in math, ooh, you're close. The word line is in the... Linear. Close enough. Okay? Because it follows a certain pattern or path. And why will I always get a linear pattern if I'm plotting points from a ratio table?
Because they can never be uneven. So because you can't have one and then have two, because then it'll be like that, and then you could have another one like that.
Okay, I think I understand what you're saying, but mathematically, what is that? What is he saying?
Because they're all equivalent.
They are all equivalent what, Skylar? Equivalent what, though?
Ratios.
Yes. If you have equivalent ratios and you're plotting the points, you should always see that linear pattern. Okay? All right. Today we're going to start talking about rates. Have you heard the word rate before?
Mm-hmm.
Where? Other than me? From me?
A TV show.
What? A TV show. Okay. What do you think rate means? What does it mean? Where have you heard the word used before? Tyler?
Like the number of viewers.
What?
Like on a TV show, they say we need to have more ratings.
Oh, ratings for a TV show. Good. Good. Yeah, where else?
I've seen it on like video games, like at Xbox. You could give person what's I forget the word that you said.
Rate?
Yeah, you could give somebody a rating on how they act and stuff.
Okay. I thought you were going to say like a rating for like a mature level video game or a, I don't know. Okay. What is it called? All level video game. Anybody can play it? E for everyone. Yes.
Like on the back of a movie it says rated R.
Yes, rated. Where is it rated? Yes. What else?
Or like how fast you're going and how slow you're going.
Awesome. How fast you're going or how slow you're going. Your rate. Okay. Yes.
Like on Instagram,
Instagram.
there's like this game called Rate Game, like a 5, it's like a 2 or whatever, and like a 2, like 4.
On Instagram?
Yeah,
Oh, I don't know Instagram, but how many of you know what she's talking about? Almost the entire class. Okay, so you could rate somebody on how they look, is what you're saying? Okay, all right. Yeah, somebody in another class said that. How do you rate? And I asked them, what does that mean? And it means, in, like, on an Instagram, is it a game or is it just a?
It feels like it goes around.
It's
It's
just like you
social
like
media
post a picture of it's like Jordans and you're like cute or something, or you're awesome, and then like the worst shoes like Crocs for like you're not cool or something like that.
Yeah, alright. Did you say Crocs? Okay. Yeah, alright, anyway. That is one meaning, or several meanings, of the word rate. But we're going to start talking about it today in terms of a rate. Oh, Chris, did you have something to say? What?
No.
Okay. A rate is a ratio. It's actually a ratio that compares two quantities. What's another word for quantity in math, Miranda? Really? Two quantities. What do you think that means? Equal? Sort of, but not really. Good try. Yeah, a quantity is what?
An amount.
It's just an amount, okay? So a synonym for, just because it's a bigger word, a quantity is just an amount, okay? So a rate is a ratio that compares two different quantities, like this. If you, let's talk about going to BJ's or Stop and Shop or Walmart or Target. You know when they have the big, so you can buy a 24 pack of water, or you could buy a 36 pack of water. So they're different prices. For one of them you get more water, but it's a little bit more money, right? So for the 24, the case of the 24 waters, you might pay a little less, but you're getting less water too. So a rate would be, like, let's say you have 36 36 bottles, yep. 36 bottles of water, okay, for, I'm going to say $5.99, okay? Okay?
That is so cheap, man.
It's actually really not.
It's like
For
$12
$36
at Stop and Shop.
36 of the plastic, yeah, just the,
Small.
It's more than that.
It's
You think
like
so?
$12 at Stop and
no, not for 36.
I would say about $7 to like $8.
Okay, I'll just to please you guys, I'll do $7.99. How's that?
Shop.
Does that seem more realistic?
Yeah.
Not to me, I wouldn't buy that, but anyway. And then another place has, you know, maybe this is BJ's, maybe this is Stop and Shop, has a case of 24 bottles, okay, of water for,
$6.
$5.99. This is a rate because, okay, it is a ratio, okay? You spend this much to get this much, or for every 36 bottles of water, it costs $7.99, or for every 24 bottles of water, it costs $5.99. Or you could say for every $5.99, you're going to get 24 bottles of water. And for every $7.99, you'll get 36 bottles of water. Okay? What would be an equivalent rate to this one if I wanted to get 72 bottles of water?
For that one?
For this one, what would be equivalent to that? What would be an equivalent rate? Okay, here's my two quantities, or two amounts. Tyler?
I'm gonna say 15.99.
Yeah.
15, did you guess? Or you sounded like you were guessing. Did you guess or Are you pretty sure that's the answer? You're guessing. Okay. What do you think?
I think it might be 14 or 18.
14 or 18. So $15.99, 14 or 18. Isn't there a way to get it exact?
Yes.
Haven't we been working on equivalent ratios and equivalency for a while? Keilani,
14.99.
why do you say $14.99? What's that?
You're doubling 36.
Okay, so I doubled 36. So double this is $14.99.
No, it isn't.
How many of you think it is? Raise your hand if you think it is. Some people. How many of you think it isn't? Apollonia, what do you think?
You could double it to 30.
Double what? No. This is gone. Forget it. Forget about this. This has nothing to do with this rate. This is a rate because it compares, there's two quantities here, okay? A ratio that compares two quantities. Yes? $16? Okay. What do you think?
$15.98.
$15.98. What do you think?
$13.99.
Wow, we've got a whole lot of guesses out there. A whole lot.
Can I get a calculator?
Can I just say something that, okay, I hear a lot of people guessing. I hear a lot of 99s, then I hear even numbers, and somebody said it's going to end with a 98. Wait, without multiplying it first. This number is very close to what number? Like very close. Yes? $8, right? No, you're not listening when you're doing that. Just go back. This is close to $8, right? $8 doubled is how much? 16. But I would be how many pennies over? Because look, if this is, yes, so what do I have to do with those 2 pennies, Liana? I round it up to $8. Okay, $8 times 2 is $16. You said it. You said the answer.
I know.
What?
I know.
You do though. You already said the answer. Yes, Darius.
All you have to do is just subtract. Just subtract 2 cents from it.
So tell me what the answer is.
The answer would be 15.
Exactly what she said. Go ahead.
15.98.
Yes.
I was gonna say, couldn't you just give them the change?
Who?
The person that you pay the money to.
Well, I guess, but if you keep giving change to round up, it adds up.
I just want them to keep
So
them.
this is an equivalent rate, okay? Because 36 times 2 is 72, and 799 times 2 is 1598. Those are equivalent rates. Okay? Now, let's take an easier one. I'm going to look at the one that's right here, okay?
$10 for everything. I can't even keep this.
So, it will cost you $10 to get 6 packs or whatever. 4 packs of soda, cola, whatever. Okay? Is this a rate?
Yes.
How many of you say yes? Thank goodness you've been listening. Of course it's a rate. Because yes, Cam, keep going. It's a ratio and?
Of 2 quantities or amounts.
Yes, of 2 quantities or amounts. And it's a ratio because for every $10 I have, I can get how many packages of soda? 4. All right? Let's say I don't want to buy 6 packs of soda.
How much do you have to buy?
Oh, you ready to figure it out for me?
21.
I'm gonna take you shopping. Okay. I wanna buy, I only wanna buy 2.
It'll be $5.
How'd you get that so fast?
Because you just divide. Wait, are you Darius?
Alright, go ahead, Darius.
Four.
This is the Darius show.
You said 2, so 4 is half. 4. No, 2 is half of 4. So I just cut 10 in half, and I got $5.
Okay.
But what if you order 1 pack?
Ah, you're getting ahead of yourself. Hold that thought. Don't be a thought crusher because I want everybody to be with us. And in just a few minutes, I'm going to send you off on your own. I'm going to try you in groups today. Working on this lesson. Not groups that you can pick, of course. All right.
I really don't care.
So I don't want 4 packages of soda. I don't want 4 6-packs. Tyler, you okay? I only want to buy 2. Did that make sense to you, Tyler?
Yeah.
I don't. So what did Darius say for this answer?
It would be $5.
Right.
Because he just divided 10 by 2.
Excellent. If you, whatever you do to the, that's right. Whatever you do to the top, you do to the bottom, and you have an equivalent rate or ratio. Okay? Everybody see the connection there?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to ask, don't be thought crushers. Jada. Jada, I only want to buy 1 6-pack today.
Cameron, put your hand there. She doesn't remember being thought crushers.
I did to 5 in the 2-pack. So that way.
Say that again? $2.50 is correct. Which, by the way, this comes in the lesson, I think tomorrow, or maybe the day after, depending on how long it takes us. But this is called a unit rate. And the reason why is because it is in simplest form, okay? I have a denominator of 1. I want to know how much it is for 1 package of soda, right? You know, yes?
Can you do like half a pack?
You can't. Not in this case. No. Alright? So this is the unit rate because it's the lowest, that you can go. You have a denominator of 1. Okay? You ready to try some?
You could
That's it. Say that again. What did you do here? Say this.
Split that into half.
Split this in half, then split this in half. And look at the pattern on the bottom.
Split it 4 to 1.
Yep. Excellent. Okay? So we're going to try some. I'm going to put you in groups today. I'm going to put you